My skateboard remote lost or not working. To the solution. An electric skateboard usually won't work with a different remote because of how the ESC, electronic speed controller, and remote are paired and programmed. If the remote and receiver are not properly paired, lock signal. Another nearby person's remote could potentially control the skateboard, which may lead to a serious accident. Most e-skateboards use a 2.4 GHz wireless connection where the remote is factory paired to a specific receiver. The receiver is built into the ESC. It uses a unique ID code for safety. If try another remote, the board simply won't recognize it due to safety programming. Electric skateboards require smooth acceleration curves, brake response control, fail-safe signal loss protection. If an incorrect remote connects, it could sudden full throttle, no braking, signal drop while riding. So manufacturers lock compatibility for rider safety. Solution: pairing method usually turn on board, press pairing button on ESC or power long press, hold remote power button, LED sync is connected. Before ordering remote, confirm ESC type open deck if needed. Check if pairing button exists. Check firmware version sticker. Confirm remote model code inside battery cover.